Welcome back in the kitchen. I got my Chef Ricardo Juice Bar and Salad Bar in one. It's amazing. Look at this now. First of all, we got a medium size. This is a medium size iceberg lettuce. Christmas recipe if you want to. A lot of people like to have them salad on the table. And because Christmas is just like a roast, but it's good to have a little bit of salad. Right, so this is the iceberg lettuce. We're going to put some spring onion also on it for flavor. Then we got some olive, black olive. I'm gonna put some black olive on it like this. Nice and lovely. And that thing's looking good so far. What we're going to do now is put some, this is some cherry tomato, which I just washed off. Cutting them into half like this. You can leave them all, but when you cut them into half, them look more presentive. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Cut them into half. Alright. Once I cut them into half, you will see exactly what I'm talking about.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin.
Nice and lovely, guys. So basically, this is it right here. So I just simple cut it up and I put the black olive and also some cherry tomato on it with spring onion. Alright. So basically what you want to do now is get that nice lovely let's see, I'm gonna tell you what I'm gonna do, guys. I need to do this, guys. This is very important and I'm gonna give you this recipe, which is an amazing recipe. Alright, this recipe is a fantastic recipe from Chef Ricardo. So what I'm going to do now is get a little bit of pepper. This is some black pepper. Alright, I'm gonna sprinkle some black pepper all over it. Lovely. Once you do that, so what I'm gonna do now is, this is very important. I'm gonna get some sun-dried tomato. This is the sun-dried tomato oil. We're gonna put some of this on top of it. So we're gonna get out some of the sun-dried tomato. Let's use up the whole of this sun-dried tomato, because this is just amazing recipe. You know, because I have this recipe long time which I want to be using it. So what we're going to do now is get the scissors and cut up the sun-dried tomato like this. And all of these recipes you can get them in a local shop to buy. Local shop or supermarket. You can use gloves, but if you're a chef and you know what you're doing, you're good to go. Alright, you just want to cut up the sun-dried tomato like this, because the sun-dried tomato is a little bit too big, so it's better for you to cut it up like this. Alright guys, so alright, that's the sun-dried tomato. Also, a simple, give it a lovely little, use a spoon and a simply lovely, give it a nice lovely little spin, just to see how it's going to be looking inside of the bowl. Nice one. So that looking good. I want to say it's a very simple recipe, but very nice recipe also.
It out here, the tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kid. We wish you a Merry
Nice and lovely guys. So basically, as you can see, that's the salad right here. Sun-dried tomato with tomato and black olive is amazing with some iceberg lettuce. So please enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Leave your comments in the description box guys. Amazing, simple salad recipe you guys can make at home. Stay tuned and see you next time. Bye bye.